Very, very educated, I would say, peaceful.
No.
So, what I gather with your lecture, listening to your lecture, see there is brain markers or biomarkers, another is brain signature, which we have to evaluate to know exactly where the things are going on with the chronic pain. And by doing that, we can definitely improve our treatment. But my suggestion is very, very easy. In the last sentence, in the last slide, you said there is no EEG biomarker. I would say, sir, in chronic pain, you can easily say, see, and what the differences in the functional magnetic resonance imaging, as well as the changes in electroencephalography. When the chronic pain is there, that will be very, very easy than going for the too difficult and complicated genetic markers. What is it?
It's a very good question. I must appreciate that.
Thank you, sir.
When the technology has advanced so much, let me tell you. First, I'll go to the last part of your question. You see, when the genomic study was done.
Sir, why did you say EEG biomarkers are not there?
I'll come to that. Because I'll forget the genetic part first. When the 2003 study, right from 99 to 2003, so much of amount of funding was done for the genomic study published in 2003, where they came out with 3 billion DNA bases. That time the technology was, what you call as filtration electrophoresis. And that is why it used to give only 300 bases per day. Imagine that particular period. That is why they have taken 5 years. Now the technology is based on fluorescence technology, where you don't have to do any mathematics, and you will have those DNA bases just within a couple of days or maybe a couple of hours. So I won't say that genetic part is so difficult, but yes, the infrastructure has to be there. There's no doubt. You're absolutely correct. That particular infrastructure has to be there. Absolutely correct. Now, coming to the other part, the EEG. EEG, yes, they have seen that there is at the moment, no validated biomarker on the basis of the EEG network and the observations which you are seeing. What was your third question was actually, the signatures, in the brain signatures. Well, they have seen, you are absolutely correct, functional MRI. But functional MRI is more of a research tool. It's more of a research. I really hope that every center has functional MRI. Then you can, like MRI, you can use the functional MRI also. But you can imagine in developing countries like us, the functional MRI in every medical college is too far, a hope that you can have. So ultimately it ends up with your messenger RNA expression, microRNAs, and if you have functional MRI, no doubt, and at the same time you have those, if you have voxel-based morphology association, that's where I said, where you can see the firing happening in the hippocampus, or in the frontal area or the occipital lobe or S1 and S2, that would be so wonderful. That's why I say, as of now, there is no, truly speaking, validated biomarker. Whereas unfortunately, you see, in the pain field, we have picked up these things very late. The pain physicians and the anesthetists have come very late to the genetics part. They have come very late to the genetics part. Unfortunately, we are trying to pick up whatever we can. I hope I have been something I left, I don't know.
Let's have a fresh round of applause for Ashok.